Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today we will be making the amazing peri peri chicken. This guys is absolutely delicious and I do hope you guys try this recipe. If y'all are new, do not forget to hit that subscribe button. I appreciate you. So these are the list of the ingredients and they will be in the description box along with the measurements. All right, so we're going to blend all of our herbs and spices. We're just going to blend everything together. Add our lemon juice, our sugar and salt, some tomato paste, and just a little bit of water. So after blending, I did go ahead and add some yellow mustard. I love to season my meat with mustard and some oil. Blend. And it looks like this. Absolutely amazing. Now you guys can tell me where you're watching this video from. I can send you hugs and kisses in my next video. Okay, thank you. Then we're going to season our chicken with some chili oil, which I made myself, and the rest of the seasoning that I use will also be in the description box. Then we're going to pour that blended mixture right over the chicken. Make sure to season the chicken well with that mixture, the peri peri sauce. So I did season mine and I let this marinate overnight, so you can just imagine the flavor in this the next day. Alright, so here I am actually using a grill pan. You guys can actually use any pan. I mean, I don't know why I use a grill pan. I just feel like. Alright, so you're gonna use this when it's nice and hot. You can add your chicken skin side down. Sear this for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side, then place in the oven for about 35 minutes. And then you're gonna remove halfway through the base and put back in the oven. A total of 35 minutes in the oven. Alright, then I remove the chicken and I let the sauce reduce. I add just a little bit more of the peri peri sauce. Okay, and then I'm going to pour that right over the chicken, because I love my chicken juicy, guys. And just a little bit darker depending on the recipe. Okay, and this is what mine looks like. So I placed it back in the oven for actually about 5 minutes. It was beautiful. This is one of the best chicken ever. Okay, this peri peri chicken. It actually lives up to the hype. Okay, look at that. Perfect. I did have mine with some jollof rice. You guys need to check that recipe out, guys. This is an African dish, most sought after. So thank y'all so much. Do enjoy. See y'all on the next video. Bye-bye.